Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving your work and shutting down the running kernel so state and resources are clean. In the classic notebook, use kernel right arrow shutdown. In Jupyter Lab, right-click the tab and choose Shutdown Kernel. If you're on a remote server, make sure your SSH or terminal connection is open and that you can access the server process list. Once the kernel is stopped, you've released memory and ports, which prevents zombie processes from blocking your restart. Next, restart the server process to reset the environment and reload extensions. From a terminal, stop the server with Jupyter Notebook, stop port or identify, and kill the PID if the stop command fails. Then activate your virtual environment or conda env so the kernel matches your project, and run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab to launch a fresh server. Make sure to observe startup logs so you can confirm port binding and extension loading. Finally, reopen your notebook and choose kernel right arrow restart and clear outputs to establish a clean runtime. Verify the kernel selector shows the expected environment and run a small cell to confirm execution. If the kernel won't start, inspect the server terminal logs for tracebacks, check kernel specs, Jupyter kernel spec list, and ensure Python paths match. A reliable troubleshooting step is reinstalling ipykernel in the active env and re-registering that kernel. Once done,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.